Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the right model and firmware. Check model compatibility in Settings and Update Now. Once done, make sure both the Hisense TV and your iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network and that you're signed into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication active. Next, open the TV's HomeKit or Apple AirPlay and HomeKit section. The TV will display a QR code or setup code. Scan it with your iPhone camera app to begin pairing. Once you scan or enter the numeric code, the Home app will ask where to place the TV. Pick a room and give it a clear name so Siri can find it. You'll configure who can control the TV and whether it appears in scenes and automations. This matters for privacy and convenience. Make sure Home app shows the TV as reachable. Enable remote access via your Home Hub Apple TV or HomePod if you want control away from home. Test basic volume and input commands with Siri. Finalize by testing voice commands. Say turn on, change input, or play music to confirm responses. If the TV is offline, restart the TV, your router, and your iPhone. Make sure your TV's firmware didn't revert and both devices are on the same SSID. Once done, repair through the Home app if necessary. If problems persist, remove Home configuration on the TV and re-add it. Only reset TV home settings as a last resort to avoid losing other preferences.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.